Hello everybody and welcome back to the Riche Life. Today we're making bath salts for Galentine's Day. Now for those of you who don't know what Galentine's Day is, don't worry, a lot of people don't, but those who know that it's the official holiday that was coined by Amy Poehler's character on Parks and Rec, where women get together on February 13th with their besties, their BFFs, and they enjoy great food, great wine, and just overall great company. No worries about significant others, just having a great time, celebrating the beauty of friendship. So the reason I chose bath salts is I feel like women, moms, we just never have enough time to just sit back and relax. And wouldn't it be great if you could do it with some nice bath salts that can really take you all the way to relaxation? What I love most about making bath salts is that they are so easy to put together. The ingredients I get from the grocery store, I'm using Dead Sea salt, pink Himalayan salt, and Epsom salt. The salts are there to release the toxins and soothe the muscles. I'm also using baking soda, which is there to soften the water, give your skin a little extra love, and Lavender Essential Oil, which takes you into a total state of relaxation. As far as tools go, I use a mason jar to mix everything. I use a vial like this to make everything pretty. I use my funnel to put the mix into the vial. And then I make the whole package look even prettier with some charms that I get from the craft store. They have nice sayings on them. People really like things like this. It's a small gesture that means a lot. And then I use some string to just tie the charms around the vial. So I've already pre-measured my ingredients, and all I need to do right now is just pour them in the mason jar and then mix them up, and that's it. So simple. So you can use the funnel to put your salts into your vials, or you can scoop like I'm doing right now. So you want to fill your vial almost all the way up to the top. You want to leave room for your stopper. Once you put the stopper on, you're all set. So our bath salts are done, but I'm not done yet. As my friends will tell you, I love a good swag bag. So in addition to my Galentine's Day bath salts, I'm also adding a bottle of Prosecco and a sleep mask to the gift bags, because we could all use a little bit more beauty rest in our lives too, and definitely a lot more bubbly, right? So I hope you guys try this. I hope you let me know how your Galentine's Day goes, and I hope you subscribe because we've got a lot more goodies coming up soon on The Riche Life. Until then, take care everybody.